NASDAQ this week has made a bounce from this 18,000 price level, which is a supply zone, and then go down and reach the first support level at 17,600, and from there a strong week, and then the price bouncing back up, reaching again 18,000 and then bouncing back down. So we have a range area for the price currently, which means sellers are waiting here and the buyers are not allowing the price to go even more down. On the weekly time frame, we can see this is a bearish candle that has been formed, but it has not triggered. We can see it here, did not close below this small incision range area. This was expected that the price could make a bounce from a round number, which is 18,000. And on the monthly time frame, we can see this is still a bullish candle with a strong body, because we have 2 more weeks until this month ends and 2 weeks has passed. So on the monthly time frame, we cannot make any conclusions, because it's very hard to make prediction where the price will go. Currently the price is reaching all-time high, so there is no support level or resistance levels that could help in the making analysis, but we have round numbers that are psychological level where the price could stop and bounce, like in this example. So for now, as it looks, the bulls are ruling on the market. They're pushing the price even higher, and this monthly time frame looks that we could see a bullish candle formed right here. But to make the conclusion, we should not run too fast, because we have 2 more weeks, and it's better to go to the lower time frames like the weekly and the daily analysis. We can see this is the strong weekly uptrend where the price has reached all-time high, and currently the price is in the middle of this channel. So this means it's not very critical that the price could make some kind of sell-off, reaching a confluence of resistance, like if the price would be around this price level. Currently still in the bullish mode, so I'm still expecting that the price could reach higher price levels until I see the price first going below this one, which is 17,600, and the next level is this one here, 17,300. Until the price makes a breakout to the downside on the daily time frame, and here it is visible. On the weekly time frame, I'm still open to see the price on higher price levels. That's why we need to go to the daily time frame and see very critical levels, and we can see this is 70,600 and 70,300, which is visible on the weekly time frame I have just mentioned. So this is a very important level. And this week the price could not make a breakout to the downside, which means there is no selling power that could push the price even more down, going down, that could sell off the price reaching 70,300, the next support level. If the price makes a breakout to the downside, this will mean that the price could reach this area, but the next day candle should be formed also below that to verify this breakout as a valid one. If that happens, if there is a breakout to the upper side going above 18,000 or below 70,600, I will share that as a daily analysis inside the Telegram group. A Telegram link will be below in the description, so if you would like to check, feel free to check it. For now, as it looks, the price is inside a range area, and it is very important to see where the price will make a breakout to the upper side above 18,000 or below 70,600. This will trigger a buying power going up or the selling power going down. So these are very important levels for the price right now to see where the price will go. But because of this buying power where the currently price is inside this uptrend channel, everything is still pointing that the buyers are much stronger than the sellers. But because the currently is inside the range area, we need to be patient and wait until the price makes a breakout, opening the doors and the next direction where the price could move. So this is all for today analysis for this week, for the next week, sorry. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.